Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial where I am going to introduce the how you can start with creating a first Android application in the Android Studio of the series part 1. So this is what when you will start the Android Studio from this scratch. Just go inside the file, go inside the new, select the new project from the menu. So it will pop up a dialog box where you have to give the application name. So I will give the name as the hello world. Then the company domain name is there where you have to provide the company domain name for that. So I will give it like the purvik.com over here. So it will take the company domain name like this one. So my package name will be like the com.purvik.helloworlds. This is the reverse domain name which we have to manually provide inside the Eclipse when you start with the Android application for the Eclipse. So if you want to change this particular domain name, then you can also change the particular domain name with the help of the edit option over here. So that is what the package name. So click on the next now. So it will ask you for the targeted Android devices for which you are going to develop your Android application. So for the phone and tablet, it asks you for the minimum SDK requirement that you have to set from over here. So these are the different SDKs API levels for the different versions of the Android. So I will take the minimum SDK requirement for this is the API level 14, which is the ice cream sandwich Android OS 4.0. So that is what there. And if you want to also generate the code for generate the default code for the Android Wear, then you can check from it over here, and you can also introduce the versions of the Android for which you are creating your Android application. Then you can also select the TV for if your application is also executable on the Android TV, then you can also use this particular feature for the check this particular checkbox over here. And if your application is also available for the Android Auto, then you can also check this particular checkbox over here. But for that, the requirement is that the set a minimum SDK level on the phone and the tablet that is compatible with the Android Auto. So the API level 14 is not compatible with the Android Auto, so you must have to choose the specific minimum SDK requirement for that one. So right now we are only creating our project for the phone and tablet, so I will deselect all the options, and let me select the phone and tablet, and then click on the next from this particular dialog. So next it will ask you to select a one particular type of activity that you want to generate defaultly for your application. So these are the different types of the activities already given to you, that if you want require the no activity generated in your application, then you can select the add no activity from over here. If you want to generate a particular blank activity, then you can select the blank activity. If you want an activity with the fragment, then you can select this particular activity. Then the full screen activity for this one, then the Google Ad Mob ads activity for the advertisement viewing, then the Google Ad Mob ads activity is over here. Then the Google Map activity for displaying the maps of the Google, it is what over here. Then the Google Play Service activity, login activity, then the master detail flow activity is there, then the navigation drawer activity is there, then the setting activity, that is what to give the user preferences setting for setting preferences. Then the tab activity is there where we will have the particular tabs from over here. So this is what the different types of activity over here where you can select any of among from all of these. So right now we will go with the blank activity and click on the next. Now it will ask you to customize the activity there, where you can set the activity name, layout name, the title of your activity, then the menu resource name, where the option menu name will be selected from over here. So I will take my activity name as the main activity, layout name is as the activity underscore main, then the title of my activity is the main activity, or you can say I can give it as our application name, that is for the hello world, and the menu resource name will be the same as the menu main. Now all the configuration of the activities are also done in this part, so just click on the finish. So it will generate it will loading the components for the hello world. It will initialize the phone and tablet project, so it will just create your project and generate the source file. So wait for a few minutes to let it be generate the particular application for you. So this is what it has already generated my hello world project over here with the name of the another instance in the Android Studio, and these are the particular package structures of my application right now that are already available in the Android Studio. Then it's showing me that one particular error, there's the rendering problem is there. rendering problem is there. So I can click on the icon that I have to select the one particular type of the API from over here. So let it finish first the Gradle configuration build, then you can select the API level of your particular project from over here. So right now I will select the API level 21, so it will render according to that version of the API. So it has been loaded, and you can also change the layout of this particular tablet or the phone from over here, where the number of Android devices are located over here. The Nexus 5, Nexus S, Nexus 4 and another Android Wear, Android TVs are over here, and you can also add the device definition from on your own. You can also preview all of the screens from this particular selection. Right now I will go for the Nexus 5. So this is how the particular Hello World project will look like. Defaultly it has already generated the Hello World on the particular screen, so you does not have to write any, you does not have to modify any of the text from this application. So Hello World is automatically generated when you will create any new Android application inside this Android Studio or any Eclipse. So this is what the first creation of the Hello World program, and I will discuss about this particular application package structure in my next video, and I will show you that how you can execute this particular application on the emulator AVD. So check out you can also check out my previous tutorial of about package structure in the Eclipse and the creation of the AVD, from where you can get the knowledge about the AVD and the package structure of our application in the Eclipse. So thank you very much for this watching this video, and please do comment for improvising our next video tutorials. Thank you very much.